Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about vertical blinds. These style of blinds are, I don't know if I would say they're outdated, but not a lot of people like these. Personally, I love this style of blind. I'm kind of a 90s kid, so we had these a lot in the 90s, so I really like that. Well, I mean, it's not hard to understand why people don't like them though, because they're, as you can see here, prone to breaking. Oftentimes, the carrier and the vanes can be quite fragile, and these can break off quite easily. My pull cord is all frayed, and I can't draw these blinds. That no longer works, and the tilt chain doesn't work anymore, which basically makes these blinds useless. Zoe's being a lazy girl. She's being lazy. She's getting older. Before you take the track down, you definitely want to remove the vanes. This part I find is particularly fragile. This little piece here, oftentimes the vanes will snap here, or the stem will be damaged. But just be careful, especially if you have an old set like mine. And looks like the track is held on with these clips here. There are 3 of them. And look who just got up. Miss Zoe. You have a good sleep? You're being lazy. You're being lazy today. Oh, okay. I think you should go outside for a little bit. Alright, now this is just a mess. The pull cord has frayed and then become ensnared in the tilt chain. So really not good. So we're going to remove this control end. I'm going to cut the cord and remove the cord. You know, that should be pretty straightforward. I'm just going to cut it and pull it out. Let's see. It's probably on like just a little pulley at this end or something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah, just a little pulley. Okay, I see how that works. So yeah, so we'll get the cord off and just take it from there. Foreman's not really doing her job there this morning. Wandering around the house. Oh, you're gonna go to sleep? You don't want to check on the work? I don't know. Foreman Zoe's kind of slacking off this morning. Oh well. Alright, I'm just untangling this mess here. One thing I find interesting about this particular set of vertical blinds, and this is probably a really old set from the 90s, but the chain does not have a place like most tilt chains that you can break the chain and hook it back together. And instead it has this this gear here which comes apart. You can put the chain through and then squeeze it together and it will grip the train, which is fairly interesting. I'm just getting a kick out of that. So you can see I've removed the little sort of pincher mechanism that holds the 2 pieces of cord in place, and I've just removed it. And it's 1 piece of cord and just tied in a knot at both ends. Should be pretty straightforward to fix, but like I said, the main problem is finding cord like this. But anyways, let's see what happens. Folks, this is why you don't have unions. Our foreman here, she went out on break and fell asleep, and unfortunately she's been doing that for years, and we just can't get rid of her. Hey, aren't you supposed to be working? You're supposed to be finding me some nylon cord. Alright, well, this would be an easy fix, but I actually don't have any cord like this, so I'm gonna have to go into town. I had to go to a local like chainsaw store, and this actually would be a pull cord for something, a very small engine. Alright, so this is going pretty good. This cord looks like it's gonna work. So I've got the outer end going going through all the carriers and around that pulley, and so now I'm just going to feed the other end through and bring it into here, tie a knot and fasten it down. And one of the things with this nylon cord too, of course, cut it on an angle and give her one of these too. Alright, I'm super stoked here. Check this out. This has worked perfectly. So what do we got here? Try this on camera. Silky smooth. Oh, there's a little snag there. Sweet. Awesome. Okay, and then they also that's perfect. Awesome. So obviously still have to put the weight on, which that's real straightforward. You know, just take that in the loop there and put the string through there, and then pop that back down into here. That's actually not the original weight that came with this. It was actually this one, but I'm going to switch them out just because this one seems a bit better. The vanes are super easy to get back in, and just very gently push them back up and snap them back in. That's pretty much it. There we go. Beautiful. Alright. Moment of truth here.